Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to enable translation in Safari. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. If you are on Safari and you are on a website that is not your native language, Safari has a really cool feature that is built in to enable translation to your current or native language. And to do that, let's just open up Safari. I will walk you through the steps. So I am just gonna visit a Chinese website, baidu.com. Yeah, so I am on this website and I don't understand any of the language text on this website, and if I want to translate this to English so that I can read it, Safari has that built in. We just open any of this website, for example this one, and now we just tap on AA. If you not see AA at the top left corner, you will see it at the bottom left corner. We just tap on AA and here you will see translate to English. Then enable translation, and here as you can see this text translated to English. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.